Ka United Democratic Party kepada Seng reulum bahek doa ke Jylla bat kumjoru ka National People's Party. Kilong ba ke Jingwan jengko All India Trinamool Congress ke Jylla kamde setia ke Jingktah ke babhai ke Jylla. Nrei kini ki artli ki Seng ki penpau ke Jingkermen bakanang ya rappen banyaki bakanang job bon ki seat ha ki election MLA ke Banlong ha ke snem arhajar arfulai. Unang yalam ke UDP ubadairu Menteri Korbari ke Jylla ubak kemen Rumboy ulong ba ke jinglit peneso jong kini ki khat arngot ki MLA ke Kongres sya ke All India Trinamool Congress kamlong setia ke babha kamtam ya ke rilum garo. Nrei kamdon Jingktah pat ya ke rilum khasi bat jantia namar kini kathan ke don chibun ki Seng Pyrthei ke bagi pat ba ke laban jiet nalor ki National Party ke balasok thiat bha. Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jylla ubak Preston Tensong ulo ong bagi jingpet jong kini ki khat arngot kalapen prai ke Kongres bat ong bagi ni ki khat arngot ki MLA ki bapeniaso sya ke All India Trinamool Congress. Kim dei satya ki babiet bandit peniaso klem dapen tikna bakin lat nak an mat kerteng. Ulo ong bagi Jingwan jong ke All India Trinamool Congress kamdan Jingktah satya ke NPP kum ke Seng la ke dei harilum khasi ni harilum garo.
12 MLAs joining TMC and particularly in the context of Garo Hills, I would say that of course they as individuals, Dr. Mukul Sangma and his team of MLAs, they are very quite strong in their own areas, but I would not say that it will be a threat to us because at this point of time it will be Congress and TMC fighting with each other, and I don't think that will be a great threat to our party NPP because NPP we have at present we have about 14 MLAs from Garo Hills, so I don't think we will be, I mean, in a very kind of it will be a threat to us. I would say I wouldn't say that it will be a threat to us, but in any case in politics we do not take anybody or any party or any group very lightly, so we will definitely give our best and prove to everybody, especially to our people, that we have been serving so faithfully to our people, to the public, and we will continue to do so.
12 MLAs, are you trying to say they are fool? Don't you think they already consulted with their legal experts of the Constitution? That is for sure. Even myself, if I have to do, means, due diligence has to be done. Otherwise, I am subjected to disqualification. So I am very sure the 12 MLAs who, came out from Congress Legislature Party, from the CLP, I think they must have already calculated, and not only that, they must have already consulted with the constitutional experts.
So this is not a very good development for the state. Personally, I said, for Garo Hills region, it may be because there, so to say, more or less is a two-party, more or less. 70% is a two-party region. But for the us Khasi Jingktah Hills, it is very difficult for the people, very difficult for the voters. We have UDP, we have HSPDP, we have PDF, we have KNAM, we have BJP, we have NPP, we have Congress, we have TMC, and we have VPP.
The more political parties coming in our state, I think that is a good sign. The more the merrier. So now we have new party, newly launched party under the leadership of Aden Basamut in the name of VPP. And then again now TMC also has already stepped in our state. So ultimately I leave it to the wisdom of the voters of the state. But I personally feel it's a very healthy process, very healthy exercise to each and every citizens of the state of Jylla.
For me is that the lesser the party, it is the better for the state. When you have so many parties, it is very difficult for the voters to choose, especially in the state of Meghalaya, where many of the voters, they still, some, I'm not telling all, some still owe allegiance to, because he is my relative, because he is my so on and so forth. So it is not a very, as this in Khasi Jaintia, it is not a very good trend, but as a UDP, we are happy that with this, we hope that we will win more seats in the next election.
Whatever you say, be it from NPP, be it TMC, or be it the Congress, be it UDP, be it anybody, we are politicians. So ultimately what we wanted is to win election. Winning election means the voters has to ultimately decide which one is the best to represent their respective constituency.